Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT failed to send problem in ChatGPT application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in ChatGPT application. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search ChatGPT app. Update your ChatGPT application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 5. Again open your ChatGPT application. Send any message. You can follow all of the steps to fix ChatGPT failed to send problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.